can see that out. Is Whisper full grown?
Yes. Yeah, she's full grown. She's a year old. She and Ruffy are both a year old. Ruffy just got her red tail feathers.
Oh.
This picture here
is Ruffy. What?
This shows the red tail just as it's molting. At a year old, they molt their striped tail feathers and get their red tail feathers.
Okay.
So if you see a red tail that has striped tail feathers, you know it's under a year old.
Okay.
What's in here?
Jack, come here, honey.
What's in here?
Nothing.
That's how you carry him around, probably.
And this is, oh, I see. Archie
That's
and
Archie.
Luna. And is the other one
Luna's still back at the center.
Oh.
Same kind of owl, though.
very pretty?
Hi.
See that.
You want here? Here, Lick a pillow.
She's all feathered. She only weighs a pound and a half.
Really?
She's right here.
Oh my.
See the worms in there?
Now, do you feed her rodents? You feed her rodents?
She gets mice and quail and chicks and rats
Then what
and
happened to his wings?
roadkill, muskrats.
His name is Sonar.